Okay. So till last class we
Open
discussed.
item management.
Yeah. So we have discussed about most of the open item management has already been covered, but then we stopped at how to clear the open item management. So we open. Okay. So if you remember, we made an entry wherein we have posted some amount of 20,000, I believe. Let me
30,000.
20. Let me check. Let's get into the tag LL03. I know by now you must be knowing what is this fag LL03. Okay. So fag LL03, I have given one of the accounts 2003. Rent payable. Okay, for rent payable, we made an entry of 20,000 last class. So now we are going to clear this. So how to clear that? Let's see. Okay, let's see how to clear. So in SAP we have three type of clearings. Okay, so one is we have one something called standard, residual, and partial. Okay, these are the three types we have in SAP, wherein standard means we are going to clear the complete amount whatever is seen as an open item, right? And residual and partial are more or less the same one, but there is a slight difference which I will be letting you know while we are making the entry. Okay, now let's get into the system. So accounting, financial accounting, GL accounting.
General ledger document.
Yeah. Posting. We need to get into posting.
Document entry.
Document. Not document entry. I need to find. Yeah. So document entry in this F-07
Yeah.
outgoing payment. Okay. Just click on this. So we have an open item. Even if I check for rent, we made an entry for rent payable, rent account debit, rent payable credit, right? So I should be seeing 4001 also as an open item in rent payable. We have made some 20,000 entry. So this is done and dusted. But
Yes.
rent payable is an open item. I mean the recon account, which is showing as a red color open item. So for this we need to clear that. This is the one. So
Yes.
let's get. So let me just show you. So when we are clearing any entry, a bank entry, so it will be a KZ. So what is this KZ?
Account type. No.
This one, vendor payment. So I think this is not the one. Let me check. Just wait, just a moment. This should be SA only. Okay, account. So bank account. It is asking the bank details. Okay.
Kotak Mahindra.
Yeah. Let's get into that. Kotak Mahindra amount. Now we have open item of 20,000. So
Hmm.
let's say, so I am clearing complete amount. I'll show you. I'm going by this. Okay. So standard. I am clearing a standard clearing now. Okay. So open item selection. Goes. So what should be credited? Rent already. Sorry. What should be debited here? So it is a credit here, credit line, and it is a we have credited rent payable at first instance, right?
Yes.
Now we need to debit
Then
that.
debit.
Yeah. So we need to debit that. Okay. Now, if you see here, you have something called open item, process open items. Click on that. Field reference. Field reference. Someone has made it as maybe in the settings, it is mandated. So standard. We can make it as optional also. Business area. Okay. KAHY and entry. Mhm. Okay. Okay. For our reference, I will make it as being rent payable. Right. Here you see 20,000. Okay.
Yes.
So the entry which we have posted was 107. It is showing as 107, and document entry was
Yes,
of
yes.
1512 with 20,000. So what I am doing here we have three types. We do not process this one anyhow. Okay. So standard means full clearance, partial and residual. So if you have to completely clear this amount, so just double click on when you see this in black color, it is not yet selected. If you double click on this, just keep the cursor here and double click, or you can uh, hit on F2 on your keyboard. It will get selected. Now just see the difference. This see the this area. Okay. When I'm double clicking on this, it is getting zeroed out, which means whenever you are clearing the amounts, be it partial, residual, or whatsoever, this not assigned should be,
Balancing amount will be shown.
yeah, this should be zeroed out. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll be saving this document with which the rent payable document splitting items for clearing. Document splitting. Did we not do document splitting? I think we have done, right? Document splitting we have already done. Let me check.
Yeah, we have done. Document splitting.
So salary account, because of that issue, I'm taking the
Yeah. We need to
salary.
create again first open
Yeah,
and
yeah.
salary account
Field
payable.
reference. Something. 1 minute. OBC4. We will go field status. There is something happening in field status. OBC4. It will be a learning for you also. So in real time also we may get this kind of errors. Okay. Now for FS. G001 we have given. Required text entry, right? Business area. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now so I am checking the field status. Okay, so there should be required. So I am removing this. This is made it as required in SA. Okay, so I told you, right, there are three places where we can change the field status.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and we have OB41 posting keys. Um, maintain field status, generally optional. I'm just checking if it is anything is required entry. Right now we should be able to post f dash 02 to 50,000. Okay. Salary account data to salary payable account. Do we have salary payable? Yes, we have star KAHY. Okay, we can keep plus here. Simulate salary payable. I'm saying this. Okay, now go to parallel 03. Salary payable on items 50,000. Okay, now go to f dash 07. Try to post this. Bank account 1,000. Amount full
50,000.
50,000. Account we should be
Change
taking.
your relative.
Salary payable we should be taking here.
Yeah, 204. 2004.
Okay, now process open items. So in my previous screen, I have given the wrong one, I think.
Yeah.
What is this? 2004 is currently blocked by user. Okay.
Oh, indaka blocks.
So we only opened it. So maybe that's what it is. Okay. Now I am clearing it at a full amount. Okay.
Yes.
Standard. Just save this. Okay.
So,
Now it is saved. So if you go back and check FAGLL03, just run the open. If you run only open items, you will not be able to see because this is cleared. So to see if it is cleared or not, you can always check all items. Okay. And you may not require, if you require the date specific, then you can give it. Okay. Then execute. See here, these two items are in green, which means the amount is cleared. Okay.
yes,
So,
yes.
so at the end, what is happening here? So salary payable is at first instance, it is crediting
Credited and this is
and
debited.
debited. So nutshell, net what's happening. So the salary and bank will be there in the books.
Yes.
So in ideal scenario also, this is an open item account. This is a control account, I would say. This has to be cleared at any point in time. If it is open means there is something which we need to pay
Close.
or close. Okay. If it is about any receivable, there is something which we need to receive.
Yes.
Until then, until we receive it or until we pay it, in our case, if I take an example of salary, so until we pay it, we have to make the accrual
Okay.
until it is paid out. Okay. So this is full payment. Now, if I make an entry,
Partial payment.
yeah, I'll show
So
you the,
divisions, right?
yeah. So 2004, no, not 2004, 4002, right?
2004.
Salary payable. Okay. No, I'll take 40,000. KHY payable. Okay. 50, 4002 or what? Right. Enter star AHY for business area plus for amount is control S. It is saved. Okay. Now go and check. We will see. I'll select as all items. Okay. You will be seeing everything. So here what's happening. So all items, when I take all items, there is one debit and credit is posted in salary payable account. Okay. Now, if you want, I have shown you, right, how to check more detailed journal. So if you select this one and click on this spikes and mountain, you will see, oh, we have done some mistake. We have selected same debit and same credit, salary payable and salary payable. Okay. We'll make one more entry. In real time scenario, it's not so easy to make entries like this. Okay, first of all, I would have taken salary then. Hope you are with me.
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm muted because surrounding
Okay,
places
okay,
will get disturbed. That's it.
okay. So I have given 30K and so at first instance I have given a salary here. Now I am giving a salary payable 2004. Press star. Okay. Now simulate salary and salary payable. It's always better to simulate. So document simulate. So in my previous scenario, I have directly saved the document without seeing the entry. That's what the error happened. But we need to be very careful while doing this. Okay. So now that's what I was wonder actually why there are two line items are showing here. So anyhow, so there is one line item as open item we are seeing here 30K. So let's get into the same T code. Now let's assume that you are going to clear partial.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's about 20. We can take 20,000.
Yeah, 20,000 and we can clear this. Okay, now 1,000 is the bank.
Amount 20 or 20.
Okay. 3,000. So let's assume you have given here 30K and if you attempt to clear it in the next screen as 20K, it will not accept. So whatever you have given in this screen will only be allowed there. Okay. So salary payable. Hope you got my point. So I have given, we have posted an entry of 30K, right?
20, 50.
No. 30K, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Salary payable
Yes.
30K we have posted. But when you are making a clearing entry, if you take 20K here
Yes.
and
And
at
10 is remaining. Again, we
so
have to
if you
record.
attempt to clear it in the next screen, it will not accept. Right. Okay, now go here. Okay, so we have 20K. So let's we are not going to clear the standard full amount, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
we are
We,
only clearing the partial amount. So let's get into partial. You can
yes. We have to manually enter, or we can just double click what we have done in previous one.
see like this. See, you have 20K as
Mm-hmm.
clearing open item.
Yes, yes.
So it will take, if you click like this, it has got zeroed out. Okay. This way you can clear this difference in
There
post.
is no need of clicking 30,000, right?
You can also do like this. Okay.
Yeah.
You making, you
Remaining
can,
10 is remaining.
yeah. So payment amount, what is the payment amount? 20K.
20,000. 20.
So clear this. Okay, like this. Sorry, previous one was the wrong one. So you need to give like this. So
Yes.
payment. So 20, let's assume you made an entry of 30K as a payable and you did a 30K as clearing amount and you are trying to clear 20K.
20.
It will not accept. So whatever the banking entry that you are giving, to that extent you have to give here. Otherwise, it will not accept.
Yes.
So So why is it saying
20.
correct the marked line items? It is in blue color because we have missed something. Okay,
Text.
just give the text here and save this. We are done. So if you go back and check um, only open items, I would say.
Yes, yes. It's still not closed, right? 20,000.
So it will still show until unless you clear complete amount.
Total
It will,
amount.
yeah, until unless if it
But
is
it's
cleared.
showing 40 for
So
red.
don't look at these numbers. This
Okay.
40 and 40. We have done some mistaken
Oh, you
entry,
okay, okay, forgot.
payable and payable.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we will clear this anyhow, but forget about that. So in 30K, just look at this one triple one and double one two. So 30K out of 30K credit, we have made an entry of 20K.
20. Still
So
10 is there.
yeah, 10. We still have 10K. That is why it is showing still in red color.
Yes.
So for that, what you need to do, you need to clear complete amount. Okay, 1000. So what is the remaining amount?
10,000.
10K. Here, value date. These are not required actually, but why is it asking? We have also done the field status as per our requirement, but payable is the correct one, right? Salary payable.
Yes, yes. 205.
Yeah, no, hit enter.
Yes.
So partial,
And 10,000. Main one we need to.
yeah, 10,000. Okay, now if you save this, we have clear. Okay,
Same blue color.
there. Yeah. So I forgot to give this. Save
No,
this.
actually, we have given, I think so. We have given. But it.
No, in the maybe in the first entry, we have
Mm-hmm.
not given. While we are making the entry payable entry,
Mm-hmm.
so it has not been given. Mhm.
Still showing red, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just checking. One moment, I'm checking.
Right.
Ideally, it should be green color, but maybe because of this
Refresh, do
two
refresh page.
entries. No, no, no. It is not a
But
refresh issue.
balance is showing 0, 0, right?
Yeah, yeah. So let's. Okay. Maybe let me clear. Okay, we'll see one thing. We'll do one thing. We will see it tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm heading. I have to do something, so I'm heading to something. Okay. We'll
Yeah.
see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll see and close this. Okay. Yeah. Instead of maybe I'll do one thing. I'll unblock the rent payable account and we'll
Yes.
make an entry.
We can just
Uh,
delete the word 40,000. 40.
no, we cannot simply delete that because
Oh,
system doesn't allow. So
oh.
we'll do one thing. We'll do for rent payable account.
Hmm.
Then we can uh, work on that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Rent payable somewhat it is blocked. Let me check in the system and we'll see.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tomorrow class is about 2 or 3.
2 is better, I think.
Okay.
2
Fine.
to చూద్దాం 2 to 4 అయితే బెస్ట్ ఉంటుందేమని నేను అనుకుంటున్నా.
Yeah.
But let's see how it goes. But why I am so concerned because it has